in Blender, a nice architectonic effect you can get is you can use select random. I'm going to do Shift and A, and I'll add a cube. And then I'm going to go to edit mode by pressing tab, or you can do that up here. Make sure everything's selected, right click, subdivide 3 times. Okay, and then just select one of these. And then we're going to go to F3 search, and we're going to type in select random. You can also do that up here. Okay, so it selects random. And then I'm going to do Alt-E and extrude faces along normals, like so. And voila, you've got quite a cool thing going on here. Just scale that. You can do the same with basically any shape primitive you want. So you can do it with a circle, for example. So if I go Shift A, do the process again. Shift A, I'll use a UV sphere. Just move that one out of the way. So the UV sphere's here, it's quite subdivided already. And I'll just select one of these, F3, select random. You can also in the select do some other things, so you may want to invert that. So you're going to go to invert, and you can also do that by going Control I. So Control I, it inverts the selection. And then Alt E and extrude along normals. And you can do that with any shape, and then you can also develop it from there. So for example, if I put on a bevel, we can make it smooth and do loads of cool things. So basically select random allows you to get some cool architectonic effects in Blender for your cities of imagination just really quickly. So it's make, edit mode, sub D 2 or 3 times, whatever you want, and then select random, and then Alt E and extrude along normals.